This is a day without a plan, a story of us.
Remember, 저쪽이다. 저쪽이다.
아마
그냥 가란 저쪽이 뭐? Go. Let's go for the ride.
So today, I'm going to try another way to share my story through every single frame I captured during this ride. My last ride at end of this winter, 2025.
So guys, today we're going to Kalampur and this is my first ride to outside a long distance from the place where I sit.
Yeah, that's me, a Tibetan writer. And today I welcome you all to my new video that you are watching right now.
We're like two sides of the same torn page. Through fire and storms we stand through the rage. No need to pretend, no mask, no disguise. With you by my side, I can touch the skies.
This time, I want you all to get to know me a little better.
Laughter erupts like a wild hurricane. No wound too deep, no unhealed stain. We patch up the holes with the threads of our hearts. Together we're magnets, nothing pulls us apart.
I'm not sure, but I wish I could express myself to you in a bit more detail.
The bond won't bend or break. Through highs and lows we make our escape. Friendship's the anthem that we always sing. You're my forever, my everything.
We all have a story to tell, don't we? We love sharing our story with others. But the question is, how do we do that?
everybody please.
Such a content na. Kalampur dani kubabulgi saje kimadri. Tadi sambat la menja sambale. Dus part rochine yo enchula ma do na menja de go.
아 맞아요. 수연이지도 바보래. 아 저런 파손 이제
Like graffiti scrawled on an endless wall. We leave our...
Here is the thing. If you don't tell your story, people won't know you, who you are. They even won't care about you, whatever you showing to them. So,
감독이야. 꽤 신앙스럽게 계획.
I developed an interest in storytelling, especially through visuals. photos and clips. And that time in my life was filled with joy and happiness, because I could capture our story in every single frame, and which reflect my life, myself truly, forever.
동막 까고 쳤어. 아 까고 쳤어. 와 얘는 측시기도 동막 측도 괜찮아 측시. 가진 측래. 디인설이 그래. 교회 측시기. 교회 두 자리 쓸 때. 열심히 측시. 근데 디인설이게 스팀디.
하주디 당보디 인설 당보디.
추나는 니마 너무 세. 당보디 측이지. 측나는 하는 날 차. 추나 한시 나쁘로 출처시키. 나도 얘는 하고 싶어. Yeah, so we're done with swimming, and after that we are going back to. 인지다 라라리며 저도 제 생취요. 겨울다.
심취디 라켄.
심취디 라.
카퍼록.
카퍼떡 뭐 까줘?
맨 사이베.
추네.
추고 말한.
야, 아니 드림추 야디 간디 청소. Copyright lead है तो तो ना
아,
copyright lead
이만.
चिल्लाए मैं
नमस्ते.
अब मैं क्या दो ऐसे लगे कौन सा ना सब पे डॉलर्स के और तो दे infinity ना चुज जाले बा नहीं चुज अच्छा है नहीं भी background gap trong yu trong de xiu ni zhou de khang li ga bo de sha我就出节差别 infinity 了啊这里嘛要让着老多的你也是 GoPro 了 battery 们就从眼面压住就上不来手指行了嘛的你 traffic 讲到多 traffic 是通常讲 traffic 主要的好不了现在第四个这个人喂吧在这个在这个
啊嘛，
그냥 나랑 저기 뭐 go
I'm not very talkative or outgoing, which is why I don't have many friends around me. But I trust in true friendships.
So we were checking some race some hundreds and this view wow hello dosto हमारा हमारा प्यारी ये नजर का ये
And which is why I have a few loyal friends who will be with me for life and as long as I remain. Because I believe in friendship, a true friendship.
그래서 다른데요 좋다